Here we're asked to find the channel capacity of a channel with a bandwidth of 2 megahertz and a signal to noise ratio of 36 decibels. So normally we could just use the Shannon-Hartley law and say the channel capacity is the product of the bandwidth times log to the base 2 of the signal to noise ratio, because we have the bandwidth given in the question. The problem is that this 36 decibels is not the signal to noise ratio. And the reason is because of the unit. So that's a decibel, it's not a ratio. So we need to convert it to a ratio. So remember that the signal to noise ratio in decibels is 10 log to the base 10 of the mean square power ratio, S over N. And it's S over N that we want to plug into there. So we need to rearrange that to find S over N. So we can divide both sides by 10 and say S over N is 10, that's that 10, to the power of 36 divided by 10. So that'll give you 3981. There's no unit there because it's a ratio of powers. So this 3981, that goes into there. So now we can calculate the channel capacity. And that'll give us roughly 24 megabits per second. So a couple of things to watch out for, that when you calculate the channel capacity, the Shannon-Hartley law has log to the base 2, whereas the signal to noise ratio uses log to the base 10. So watch out for that. So that's your final answer.